I've been doing eggs in cast iron skillets for 50 years. It's easy. Let me show you the tips and tricks. Let's get underway and get cooking. I'm gonna fire up this burner. Put her just a smidge below medium. Put that one on. I just have a little avocado oil I'm gonna use here today. And I don't put a whole lot, I just put some in there. No, the burner is that big, the pan's this big. So we gotta let that heat dissipate and get this whole pan hot. So it takes a while. The bigger the pan, longer it takes, obviously. These are about the same size, so we're gonna let them roll here a little while, probably take about 3 minutes. Hey, we had that oil in these two cast iron skillets heating up. I'd say it's 3 to 4 minutes. I had a little cup of coffee. We're getting pretty close. What I usually do, I grab me a trivet out of here and do a little bit of the tilt. Let that get coated. You want them edges, especially if you're doing scrambled eggs. Look at that. Get that entire pan. Let's turn these down to low. Down there on low, what I usually do is I just roll over to the counter here and bust up a couple eggs and crack them and get them ready. I'm gonna do that and then we'll put them in these skillets here shortly. I kind of have two tricks I use to cook eggs. I use a water drop test or I use butter. I like the flavor of butter on eggs, but let me show you both. Get a little bit of water on your hand, clean hand, and just throw it in there. Pull around and bust, that's the trick. And that works on stainless steel too. You'll see it looks like a BB rolling around. Then it'll eventually evaporate. These are still pretty hot, so we'll let them sit here a minute. And then we'll go on to trying the butter method. Get that oil everywhere. That one looks pretty good. I don't see any problems with that one. Let's see what she's looking like. Oh, she's looking pretty good too. I just put them in the center. Now you see them big bubbles? We don't want them big bubbles. Where those bubbles are gone. You don't want big bubbles. And you can just use butter if you want. You don't have to use oil. Or you can use oil and no butter. I kind of like the butter trick because of these bubbles. See that big bubble? No, there's a big bubble. We gotta let them all go away. This one's pretty good. It's already going down. So once them bubbles get down there, you should be good to go. See how they get real small? That's my trick. Been doing it this way forever. Like 50 years. See there, we're not sizzling real loud. This one's a little bit hotter, not as cool as the other one. My other trick is too, I don't like that gooey white stuff. I just like dippy eggs as we call them. And my mommy always called them, we're gonna make you some dippy eggs. I just pull this yolk, the white away from the yolk. Just pull that away. And then you won't have that big clumpy piece that never gets done. Same way on this one. A little dissimilar heat. But that's not stuck. And this is the brand new pan. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is not having a problem either. Brand new Lodge cast iron, pre-seasoned. And look at that. So my friends, what is that telling us? This seasoning of this pan compared to this 20+ year old seasoned, well taken care of pan doesn't make a hootin' bit of difference to cook eggs. That's pretty fun. I've never used a Lodge just with their seasoning, but you know what? I think they made me into a believer. Look at that. That's usually what I do. And if it doesn't, occasionally you'll have one little spot. Just give her a little push. Add a lot of love and a whole lot of great food with family and friends. And that is one of the reasons I love cast iron. I think it's a little bit of a opportunity to share something that people don't all have skills in when you're cooking for friends and family. And they're like, wow, cooking with Bob, how do you do that? Well, you gotta practice, you gotta learn some tips from some old guys. We know things. If you don't like them hard, just, do it quicker. That's all you have to do as far as eggs. Cook them to your liking. You like them sunny side up, just take them off. That's it. That is how easy it was. I'm pretty impressed. And you know what? They are slippery than slippery. Is that a cast iron term? Slippery than slippery? Look at these. Not even stuck at all. Look at that. They just slide around. They always slide around. You just need to know the tricks. It's really easy. It's quicker than cooking on any kind of skillet, even them non-stick things, which I don't even own one anymore. Look at them slide. So I hear all the time on all these videos and comments and posts and stuff, you gotta have a well-seasoned pan to be able to cook eggs in your cast iron skillet. I just proved that wrong, because I got a brand new Lodge and I got a old seasoned one, and guess what? You probably can't even tell which one is which. I've been at this for 50 years and I have the only way to cook eggs. Hands down, it's gonna work every time. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Cooking with Bob. I've been at it for 50 years, just sharing some tips and tricks. And I'd appreciate you get on down there and make a couple comments, slam that subscribe button, hit that like, because I'm going to drop content every single week. A lot of it's cast iron cooking. Keep cooking, and I'll see you on the next video.